Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to discuss the last part of chemical bonding, that is coordinate bond. Coordinate bond is a very small part and not a very important part, but you have to read it. So what exactly is a coordinate bond? Coordinate bond has also been given the name dative bond. Okay, dative bond or co-ionic bond. So dative bond is same as coordinate bond. Now what exactly is coordinate bond is? In case of covalent you have learned mutual sharing, that is both atoms are giving electron, but in this case it is formed by sharing of electron, but the electron pair, it is always in pairs. Again one thing here, electron pair is given entirely by one atom but shared by both. It is given by one atom but shared by both. In this case a bond that is formed is dative bond, like ammonium ion and hydronium ion. That are the two things we have in a syllabus. Check. Ammonium ion can be formed if we add NH3 plus, this will give you NH4 plus. If formation is asked, entire thing you have to draw. How will you draw? NH3, you already know the structure. Okay. Electron dot diagram will generally be asked, so don't forget to do this. Okay. Otherwise there will be problem. Achha, H plus. Now the problem comes over here. How will you write? You have to write N, this is there, suppose the lone pairs are over here, okay, then you have to write the second H over here, fourth H I mean, okay, then the whatever the rest was, it will remain as same as this. You can write plus over here, then do not give the third again, write plus outside. If you write not right here, then write outside or here, anything you can do, but do not write both, then there will be a problem, okay. So this is the entire structure formation. If the structure is asked, omit this part, write only this much. Okay. Electron dot diagram generally is mentioned, so you have to write it like this. But if in some cases might be, if you are confused, then always go for this. Okay. Do not go for this. I am just showing it. That is, this is used for depicting a dative bond. Okay. This is the structure of a dative bond. I mean structure of here in this case NH4 plus. But this is generally not asked in the exam. What is asked in the exam is this one. So you have to draw the electron dot diagram. Okay. So this is the first electron dot diagram of dative bond that you all are having. Okay. Coming to the H3O plus a little bit later. First let us discuss the conditions. Condition is that any atom has to have one lone pair of electrons. Okay. So an atom must have one lone pair of electrons. An atom must have one lone pair of electrons. At least one lone pair. More than that also can be there. At least one lone pair of electrons. Achha, what is lone pair? Lone pair is an electron, a pair of electron that does not take part in any chemical reaction. Okay, that is not given to any other atom. Number 2, this one atom will be giving, so other atom has to take it, I mean share it. So there must be another atom. The other atom should be short of at least one lone pair of electrons, of at least one LP, not write LP, lone pair of electrons. Okay, one lone pair of electrons. Okay, so this is the two condition that is you have to satisfy for forming a coordinate bond, dative bond. Okay, an atom must have at least one lone pair of electron and other atom must be short of at least one lone pair of electron. Otherwise, dative bond won't form. Okay, so as I have already discussed one dative bond formation, that is NH4 plus formation, the left out part is H3O plus. H3O plus is also formed in the same way. How? H2O plus H plus forms H3O plus. So structure asked, only this part, formation asked, entire part. Okay. So I am writing like this just to make sure that there is no error. Okay, but actually it is bent. Okay. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now instead of this bond, let us write like this. Done. Okay. Plus H plus. Formation O 1 2, let us write over here H. Okay, so this is what you call as H3O positive ions. Okay, so this is dative bond, H3O plus ion dative bond. Okay, dative bond is a very short part, and this is the most important thing that you need to remember from here. Okay. And the last part, the last very important part that I have to say from here is the element, sorry, not the element, compound, okay, with ionic plus covalent plus dative bonds. All three types of bonds are present. Then the answer is ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. Okay. Number 2, compound with, okay, with ionic plus covalent. Then the answer is 2 answers are there, not 2, more than that also are there. COCO3 NaOH. Okay. Number 3 is with covalent plus dative. Covalent plus dative, that is H2SO4. Okay, H2SO4. H2SO4 has got a structure, that is S is bonded to 2O with direct single bonds, and then also H single bond, 2H are bonded to S with coordinate bond. Okay, so this is basically your covalent plus dative bond H2SO4, ionic plus covalent is NaOH plus CaCO3, ionic plus covalent plus dative is NH4Cl. This is the most important part that you need to read. One of the questions will definitely be asked from here. So that is all from the coordinate bond part as well. It's a very small part. Okay, so in the next video we will be discussing about the next chapter, that is acid, base and salt. We will start the discussion with acids. Okay, so see you all in the next video. Till then, stay safe.